I'd like to show you now how easy our patties are to use and cook. All the patties come in a five pack sleeve. They just, you keep from frozen. You just break one patty off. Show you, you open it, you break one patty off, and you take from frozen, and you either put it on a sheet pan with the parchment paper, with your choice of a spray oil or just regular oil. You can brush it on and put it on both sides, and then put this in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes per side, and your patty will be ready to use. The other way to cook is on the stovetop, again from frozen. You'll take your patty, you'll use your choice of oil or spray, you'll put it in the pan, and you will sear it for 5 to 6 minutes per side until it is done. You want the patty to have a little bit of crispness on the top. It will look like when it comes out of the oven. You can see it has a little bit of the difference. It's a little crisper, and it's a little harder to break inside, which gives it a nice little flavor and texture.